Hello and welcome to What the Just Happened Today, your essential guide to the daily shock and awe in national politics. I'm Joe Amditis. Let's get to it. It's Wednesday, January 8th, 2025. Welcome to day 1450. Donald Trump asked the Supreme Court to block his sentencing in the New York election interference case involving falsified business records. The last-ditch request came after a New York appeals court refused to postpone his Friday sentencing, which is set to take place 10 days before his inauguration, on 34 counts of falsifying business records related to a hush money payment made to Stormy Daniels during the 2016 election. Trump continues to claim that he is immune from all prosecution and sentencing because he is president-elect. Further, he claims that sentencing would damage the institution of the presidency and the operations of the federal government. Judge Juan Merchan, however, has made clear that he will not sentence Trump to prison and that an unconditional discharge, or a sentence without any punishment, was the most viable solution. The Supreme Court has ordered prosecutors to respond to Trump's request by Thursday morning. Meanwhile, the Justice Department plans to publicly release part of Special Counsel Jack Smith's final report on Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election and disenfranchise millions of voters. Attorney General Merrick Garland, however, will withhold the second part of the report, which concerns Trump's handling of classified documents after he left office and his refusal to return them. Yesterday, Judge Eileen Cannon, who previously dismissed Trump's classified documents case, temporarily blocked the release of Smith's two-part report in order to prevent what she called irreparable harm while the matter is being considered by the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. Both cases against Trump were dismissed after he won the election in November due to long-standing DOJ policies against prosecuting a sitting president. Moving on, a watchdog report found that 3 senior Trump-era Justice Department officials leaked details about COVID-19 nursing home death investigations in Democratic states in order to influence the 2020 presidential election. The leaks targeted Democratic governors in New York and New Jersey and violated department policies and potentially the Hatch Act, with one official calling it their last play before the election. And finally, Joe Biden insisted that he could have beaten Trump in the 2024 election, while also acknowledging that he wasn't sure that he could have completed a full second term as president. "It's presumptuous to say that, but I think yes," Biden said when asked if he believed he could have won, citing polls that he had reviewed. When asked if he had the stamina to serve another 4 years in office, Biden, who is 82 years old, replied, "I don't know," adding, "Who the hell knows? So far, so good. But who knows what I'm going to be when I'm 86 years old." Before Biden dropped out of the race in July, some polls showed that he was falling behind Trump, and he lost further ground after his disastrous debate performance in June, putting his health, age, and cognitive abilities in question. That's all for now. You can find the links and sources for all of these stories on the main website. And as always, visit whatthefjusthappenedtoday.com for the latest news and headlines. Until next time, I'm Joe Amditis.